Imagine taking a single breath and stepping off the edge of the world. For a moment, the sun warms your shoulders, but gravity pulls you down, past the turquoise shallows, down, into the great eternal dark. You are falling into the largest habitat on Earth, a realm that makes up 99% of our planet's living space. Yet, it remains an alien world right beneath our feet. Welcome to the bottom of the ocean. Why does this descent matter? Because the deep ocean isn't just an empty void. It is the engine of our climate and the cradle of life itself. But to reach its floor, you must survive an environment hostile to human existence. Every 33 feet you descend, the weight of the water above you adds another atmosphere of pressure. It is like stacking an entire car on every square inch of your body. Down here, physics begins to warp and the rules of life completely change. Let us sink past the epipelagic zone where light still reigns. At 600 feet, we cross into the Twilight Zone. The vibrant blues fade to a ghostly, washed-out gray. Photosynthesis stops, and a new kind of survival begins. Suddenly, the darkness sparks to life. Electric blue flashes, pulsing strobes, and glowing lures ignite in the void. This is bioluminescence. In a world without sun, animals must create their own light to hunt, hide, and mate. At 3,000 feet, we enter the midnight zone. The last photon of sunlight has officially been extinguished. The water temperature plummets to near freezing. You are now in a realm of pure, unending night. To survive this crushing dark, bodies must transform. Fish here lack swim bladders, because gas would instantly compress and implode. Instead, their flesh is gelatinous and squishy. Their bones are soft, flexing under a pressure that would shatter solid steel. Sinking deeper, we plunge into the abyssopelagic zone, 13,000 feet down. The pressure is now immense, over 400 times what you feel on land. It is a quiet, desolate landscape, spanning millions of square miles. Look closely through the gloom. You will see a constant, gentle blizzard falling from above. This is marine snow. It is a delicate shower of organic debris, dead algae, and detritus drifting down from the surface. For many deep-sea dwellers, this snow is their only source of food. It is a slow-motion transfer of carbon from the atmosphere to the abyss, a process that quietly keeps our entire planet from overheating. But the abyss is not just a graveyard. Suddenly, out of the flat mud, jagged spires rise into view. They are billowing thick black smoke into the freezing water. These are hydrothermal vents, fractures in the Earth's crust, where magma heats seawater to over 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, biology defies everything we thought we knew. Instead of using sunlight, entire ecosystems thrive on toxic chemicals. Giant tube worms and ghost white crabs swarm the vents. They are powered by chemosynthesis, harvesting energy directly from the Earth itself. But even the abyss is not the true bottom. The ocean floor is scarred with massive canyons. We are now dropping into the hadal-pelagic zone, the trenches. A deep, V-shaped chasm plunging violently into the Earth's mantle. Down, down, 36,000 feet down. We have reached the Challenger, deep in the Mariana Trench, the deepest known point on our planet. If you dropped Mount Everest here, its peak would still be covered by a mile of wall. The pressure is a staggering 8 tons per square inch, like having 50 jumbo jets resting on your shoulders. Surely, This is a dead, sterile wasteland. But shine a light on the sediment, and the mud moves. Against all odds, life finds a way. Pale amphipods scuttle across the floor. Ghostly sea cucumbers sift through the sediment. Their bodies are reinforced by specialized molecules, just to keep from unraveling under the immense weight. And what exactly are you standing on? It isn't solid rock. The very bottom of the ocean is a thick, silky ooze, a microscopic graveyard made of crushed shells and cosmic dust that has been accumulating for millions of years. Standing here, you look up into the endless black. Above lies a column of water, 7 miles high, a vertical universe of bizarre monsters and vital chemical cycles. Every drop connected. We have mapped the entire surface of the Moon and Mars. Yet, more than 80% of our own ocean floor remains completely unmapped, unobserved, and unexplored. We are strangers to our own planet. The deep ocean is Earth's final frontier, but the implications reach far beyond our world. Moons like Europa and Enceladus harbor vast, deep oceans beneath miles of ice. If life can thrive here, in our crushing, pitch-black abyss, fueled by the heat of the planet, could the same alien ecosystems be waiting out there in the dark of space? The deeper we go, the more we realize how little we know. Every descent rewrites our understanding of life's boundaries. So, when you look out at the flat, glittering surface of the sea, ask yourself, what else is waiting in the dark, waiting to be found?